Hey guys, I'm here and today I'm going to show you my birds. I made a video a long time ago to show my birds, my leopard feeding in my Skyliner collection, but wasn't uploading. Here's my birds. Yeah, it could be the ones. Why they're here? Well, it's summer, so when it's summer we keep them in the shed. But when it's winter or fall, we put them inside. Here's my cockatiel. We usually had like 4 cockatiels. Both of them died. One died recently, and one flew out the cage from this opening because it fell down. And she's scared because she's lonely. We're going to take her to Tennessee, so this might be the only video you get to see my birds. Here's the 3 parakeets. These guys, they don't really do anything. They're not scared of that much, but they are scared of humans. They're not tame. This one was originally going to be tame because it was so nice, and so all its friends died. The one left. Don't worry, it's going to be taken by its family. Isn't that right? Oh, she's not camera shy. She's not camera shy anymore. She used to be. The green one, the other one are mine. The white one's my sister, and the gray one's my mom. Say hi. But she is scared. Look, they're all scared of the camera. This may be a short video, but yeah, let's go leave them alone. Let's go back inside. Oh yeah. Right there, that house across this Lost Nation game. This is my neighbor's. It's my friend's house. Now let's go back inside. Let's go check on my geckos. Got a little mashed potato in there, sleeping. I think Gravy's in there. Let's check. Yeah, she's in there, but she doesn't want to come out. Got a little mashed potato awake now. But yeah, guys, this is like a little video of my birds and stuff. So yeah, bye guys. And remember, subscribe to Chirpy, subscribe to Action Gaming, and I forgot my other friend's name. I'll put it in the description. Hey guys, remember, subscribe to this channel. If I have 5 subscribers, I might do a special, really good special.